And we are at the SHW stall. SHW, as you can see, is famous for their milling machines. License to mill is their tagline. And we have with us Mr. George Heusler, who heads the sales for them, both in India as well as in UK, right?
That's right. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, George, tell us about what SHW has, especially for Imtex 2015.
Yeah, we have developed a very effective machine, which is working since also 2 years here in India. We have good customers in Pune, and they like our machines very well. And we hope we have some future business coming quite soon in the first quarter of 2015, and that's also one of the reasons why we are here.
Okay. What are the key industry sectors that you're looking at in India?
Mainly our focus is on the construction industry, and there's a lot of to be done. We hope with the new government in place in India, some modification will go on, road construction, railway, and this is mainly our focus at the moment.
Okay, so you're basically looking at the infrastructure segment.
That's right.
Okay. And how about automotive?
Automotive, we are not so strong. We are in some mold and die shops, but basically cars doesn't require such a big machine to be manufactured. That's the reason why. There is some special areas and some special segments, but mainly mold and die is the area we are focusing.
You have a very interesting tagline which says license to mill. What is the concept behind this?
Yes, we are saying for machines of this size, SHW is the important case, and license to mill, maybe you know this slogan slightly different. So license to mill is focusing very much precision, rapid machining. That means within a short time to have the parts ready.
Okay. Is this your first time for Imtex, or you've been coming here?
This is the third time I'm coming.
This is the third time. So you see any difference from the previous editions this time?
Yes, I would say this time the number of visitors since today has quite increased. We are very happy that so much people are coming, and we feel quite optimistic for the rest of the show that more and more people will come here and will join our booth.
Thank you so much. We appreciate your time.
No problem.
SHW has a very interesting innovation for their customers, and we have Mr. Shardul talking to us about it. Can you tell us more about it?
This is an orthogonal head. This can rotate like this way continuously 360 degree, and same time it can rotate like this also. See, and same time it can rotate like this.
Wonderful. Yeah.
So you can do the machining in this angle, same this way, like this. It can rotate like this and make angle movement like this way.
So will this be like a regular part of your machine?
Yeah, this is the standard head supplied by the SHW, and they are specialized in this head because we can offer different kind of such heads which will give many possibilities for machining, and many complex component can be done very easily with single setup, because the accuracy of a component is very important. If we change component from one machine to another machine, it's the accuracy will be not maintained on the final product. So with one setup you can use this head for many positions, and machines can be offered which can change this head automatically also. So from lower RPM to higher RPM up to 20,000, up to 40,000 RPM heads can be supplied by SHW. Again, this head can be of different length, different attachments, such as shown in this picture. These are different heads which can give many possibilities for machining. You can show these components. And this machine, the indexing accuracy is also good. For over a period of time, it doesn't deteriorate. This is with 1 degree indexing with earth coupling, which gives good torque while doing machining.
Thank you so much.